Oh, I guess it probably would help if I put that up there. My bad. Put that away. I don't need this here, so we can move that over. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Dew driver. I feel like I made this in a previous video, but to be perfectly honest, I don't remember. So I'm just going to redo it anyways. It's a very simple recipe. All you need is Mountain Dew, and you need some blue raspberry vodka, preferably UV blue. You can use whatever you want. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm assuming you probably use any type of blue raspberry vodka. But I'm not well, no, you probably could. Anyways, let's go ahead and get down to making this. If anybody has like UV blue at a party and Mountain Dew, you can make this very easily. Let's go ahead and make it. 2 ounces of blue raspberry vodka. Make this in a solo cup because I don't think it'll actually overfill. 2 ounces of Mountain Dew, or sorry, not 2 ounces, 4 ounces of Mountain Dew. Could you get away with probably find something that has like blue raspberry Mountain Dew? Probably. But do you want it alcoholic? If you want it alcoholic, and if your answer is yes, this is the best way to do it. This is apparently called the Dew driver. We're going to give her a good mix up here and give her a try out. Ooh, that actually works really well. It's not like an ew kind of ooh or anything like that, but it's like well, this Mountain Dew is a little old. I'm not entirely sure if the Mountain Dew is actually really that good right now, but right at this particular moment, it's not bad. Probably fresh Mountain Dew, cold Mountain Dew, would probably increase its like taste a bit. I was trying to think of the word and I couldn't think of a word, so I just said taste. It could increase it a little bit better if it was cold and it was like not old, because this is like 5-6 days old, past its best use by date. I took a sip out of it. It tasted sort of fine. So if I have shits tomorrow, that might be the why. But that's besides the point. Overall, not bad. Not bad at all. It's definitely on the more sour end of everything. If you're not caring for the sour part of things, you might want to add something else to it, or change up the recipe not to be blue raspberry vodka, because it adds more of like a tartish, I'm not going to say, well, more of a tartish flavor. I was going to say bitter, but it's not entirely bitter, it's just tart-ish flavor to it. Again, if it was probably cold, it would probably be a little bit better, honestly. Unfortunately, this Mountain Dew has been sitting on the ground for months now, and I've been using it ever so often for these videos, and then forgetting about it for quite a while. Hence why it's a little old, and I didn't realize, and then I was like, oh fuck, I wanted to do this, and then I looked down and I'm like, it's probably fine. And here we are now. Yeah, not bad. I'm not gonna say it's great, but it's not bad. It's something easy. You could build it on the fly, probably at a college party or something like that, or like anything like that. As long as they have Mountain Dew and blue raspberry vodka, especially UV blue, because this shit can get you fucked up pretty quickly. Even though it's only 60 proof, 30% vodka, drink those down pretty easily. You can't really feel the burn on this at all. You can taste it, but you can't feel it. Like you can sort of taste the burn. It's not like it's an immediate burn or anything. You can feel it, you know, it goes down, and then once it gets to a certain point, you start feeling a little bit of the burn, but I mean, by that point, you just don't care anymore, and you start drinking more of it. But I've also had a lot of drinks that are, or a lot of stuff that has much worse burn than 60 proof. For instance, some of my earlier videos, like 190 proof. Yay me! Yay, stupid me. But overall, not a bad drink. Easy to do, and should be easy to make for whatever you want to do with it. Anyways, if you like that video, go ahead, and if you have any drink ideas or shot ideas, any type of recipes along those lines, cocktails, just leave them down in the comments below. I'll take a look at them, and I will probably either pick a few of them, all of them, or if I get more subscribers, I'll still probably pick all of them, just kind of shift them over time to what they should be, and then I'll give you my opinion on every type of shot, drink, whatever you give me. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.